here I am I'm in the Negev Desert in Israel. I'm at Makatesh Ramon. I'm sure I pronounced that exactly right. And what we are looking at here behind us is actually columnar joints in sandstone. Now, you've seen columnar joints in basalt all the time. It's the kind of thing that makes the Devil's Causeway and Devil's Tower in Wyoming and things like that. But this is sandstone that was below a pluton, and it got warmed up enough. It's actually a quartzite now, and the quartzite cooled in such a way that it made these awesome columns, just like basalt does. Oh my gosh.
Mom?
Yeah.
So are we gonna use this on?
It's on.
It is?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's on right now.